This is CPM Calculus Chapter 5, number 158, and it's, the given is f of x to the fourth minus x third. So, for A, it's asking us to find the equation of the tangent line at 1, 0. So for A, you have to find the slope, and we already have a point. So basically, to find the slope, you have to find f prime of x. So it's just a derivative of x to the fourth minus x to the third. So that just equals, so f prime of x equals 4x to the third minus 3x squared. And you just plug in 1 since we have an x value. So if you plug in 1, that equals 1. So the slope is 1. So use the point slope formula. So that just, you just plug in 0 for y1. Y minus y1, which is 0, equals the slope, which is 1, of x minus x1, which is 1. And that just gives you y equals x minus 1. And that's your answer for A. For B, it's asking us to find the equation of the line normal to the tangent at 1, 0. And normal just means perpendicular. So what we want to do is find the slope perpendicular to 1. So that's just the opposite reciprocal. So it's just negative 1 over 1. And that equals negative 1. So basically, the equation is just y equals negative x plus 1. Since that's the opposite of that. Well, the opposite slope of the first slope we got. And for C, it's find all the points on f of x with the same slope as in part B. So what I did was, well, we already know that the slope in part B is negative 1. So you basically just set the f prime of x equal to negative 1, and you solve. And I put this in the calculator, I graphed it, and I saw where it intersected. So a point is at x equals negative 0.045. And I just plugged in negative 0.455 into our equation, and I got 0.137, and that's a point that has the same slope in part B.